Hello. Right. We're going to be discussing Alright, can you hear me now? I want to believe that we have a better network now. Okay. Welcome. If you can hear me, drop a yes in the comments. If you can hear me, drop a yes in the comments. If you can hear me, drop a yes in the comments. If you can hear me, drop a yes in the comments. I'm waiting. I want to be sure that we are here together. If you can hear me, just drop a yes in the comments. All right. Okay. I want to be sure we are in this together now. Okay. All right. While I'm waiting for your comments, I think we have to move on. Okay. Okay, I have some yeses now. All right. So at least with this yes, I think I believe everyone can hear me. All right. Okay, so this is supposed to be a session where you drop your comment, you drop your question in the comment, then they will be attended to. All right. So while I'm waiting for a question in the chat room or in the comment section, okay, I know that we're already aware. We are aware that we are basically what we are doing is to address whatever questions that we have concerning Pi network. It's obvious that we have a lot of people that are already giving up on Pi network anyway. We have a couple of people that already say, okay, Pi network is taking too long to get to the mainnet and all that. Some even say they're tired of mining. They even say, okay, I've deleted the app or that. So, okay, I can understand that sometimes when you wait too long for something, you feel it's not forthcoming, and it's easy to give up. It is to give up. It's easy to give up on such a thing. However, projects like this are, they usually take time, take a long time. A lot of work goes into that, trying to perfect plenty of things, a lot of things to ensure that by the time the project get to the mainnet, by the time the project is being listed, everything will be working smoothly and perfectly. So a lot of tests will be done. A lot of things will be, you know, worked on. And sometimes it takes a long time before um, before we get to the end of the project, or before the project is being made public. So that's what is happening, or what has been happening to Pi for years now. No, to say that, to let us know that the project is the project is genuine, is worthwhile, is something that um, everyone should be part of. Everyone should be part of. So if you are losing hope in Pi, I think even now you should take it more serious now, and get your hope back, and get busy mining, and referring people, you know, getting more people to the community. So now the realness of Pi, it's more you know, it's getting stronger. Let me put that way, because I'm sure you already know, or if you don't know, now you know that Pi, you know, a lot of people have migrated to the private mainnet on the Pi. You moved some of your coin that you've mined to private mainnet. That is the wallets inside the Pi and all that. So from there, you know, you can even, there are some transactions that has been going on in terms of the you know, you do your that you can there's a Pi 81, the Pi mall and all that you can buy items with Pi and all that, but it has to be using Pi to buy things from the Pi miners, from the Pi stores and all that. It's not allowed to start exchanging Pi right now. You know, it's not, the Pi is not on the exchange platform now, like Binance and all that. So, and there have been warnings that you don't do that. You don't start selling your Pi, because the real value is not been announced yet. So you can't even sell it yet. But there are some tests that are going on. You should be participating in the test net and all that. So we'll be looking into all that briefly before the end of this live session. While saying that, let me check the comment section and see what we have there. Probably there's something for us to discuss from there. Okay. All right. I'm going to read from the comments now. Let me see what we have. Okay. From Idris Isa, please, how can one get his mainnet after 14 days of migration? Okay. It says somewhere in my profile, Pi app, I'm being asked to set up my password to increase the security of the account. Please, how do I go about it? Thank you. Okay, so these are questions that we are going to, I know that there might be more as we move on anyway. So, okay. First of all, the 14 days, the 14 days is for the migration. When you migrate your Pi, to the private mainnet. Okay, I believe that you must have set up your wallet already. You must have set up your wallet already. And how to do that is that you first of all ensure that you download Pi. You download Pi browser. You download Pi browser. You go to Google Play Store and download Pi browser. Once you download that, when you have that downloaded, then you will now access the Pi browser from your Pi app. The Pi browser is not going to be used independently, so you have to come to your Pi app and click on menu here. Menu at the top corner here, where I'm going to click now, where you see my app. This menu, when you click on the menu, you should bring out this. This should fly out for you to see the available menu. So here you have your name, you have mainnet, you have Pi browser, you have Pi utilities and all that. So to set up your wallet, you have to set up a wallet inside the Pi app. So having downloaded the Pi browser, so then when you come here on your Pi app, when you click on this menu, then you click on Pi browser. When you click on the Pi browser, you go ahead and click on sign into Pi browser. So if you have not downloaded the Pi browser already, you will not be able to connect to the Pi browser. You will not be able to get into the Pi browser. We have this, but by the time you click on it, it will ask you to download the Pi browser first. So since you have it downloaded, like I have it downloaded already, so I'll just click on sign into Pi browser. You're not putting in any password anyway, so this will connect you directly to the Pi browser. So when I click on it now, that's where you see the available items in the Pi browser now. So and it's very important we set up our wallet. You set up your Pi, you set up your wallet inside the Pi, because you can, even when you have not done your KYC, you can still be participating in the testnet. So these are the things that are available in the Pi browser. Welcome to Pi browser. You see, that's where you see your chat, Pi, wallet, Pi, brainstorm, mine Pi, blockchain, develop, and KYC. Okay, so you go ahead and click on wallet. Click on wallet and set up your wallet. Set up your wallet. So you unlock with a phrase. These are the pass phrase or the secret phrase will be generated for you when you click on unlock with phrase to give you the phrase. Give you 12 phrases which you are meant to write down somewhere, somewhere that is safe, and somewhere that you know that nobody will be able to access it, because that's what will give you access to the wallet. That what will give you access to your wallet. If anybody has it, and they can access your wallet. And also perhaps you are mining with a phone, and probably the phone crashed or something, or you want to change your phone. Or you change your phone. So on that mobile phone that you're changed to, you can also go ahead and continue your Pi mining with that. And for you to now be able to access your wallet, your Pi wallet, you need that phrase. You need those phrases to use to be able to access your Pi wallet. That's what I'm trying to say. So okay, so let me go back. So go ahead, if you have not set up your Pi wallet, you can go ahead and set up and inside that, that's where you also be participating in the test net. Okay, so let me see if I can set up a wallet on this here now. Let me just see. I have to change my view. Okay, so all right, so if you have not set up your wallet, you can go ahead and do that now. I think it's going to be easy for you to do, because each click that you make will guide you. It will direct you on the next thing to do. Okay, and it's good you do all that now, that you start practicing with all that, that you have not moved your mind coin to the wallet yet. So what you have there, if you have not migrated, that's what I'm trying to say now. If you have not migrated, you can experiment. If you didn't get it right, you can redo. You can set up the wallet and all that. But note that if you have already migrated to the mainnet, you have migrated them to the if you have migrated to the mainnet, it's advisable to ensure that you don't delete that wallet you've created already. You have to just make sure that your password and the details are well kept, and you don't lose them, because if you can't access the wallet, you will not be able to have access to the coins that you have there. So it's always good to make sure that you keep your wallet intact. So okay, then let's see what we have now in the comments. Okay. So you can drop your comments if you have the comments. You can drop your comments. Okay. I want to go back to the okay, so let me all right, if that's okay. So now for the Idris, I think that is clear. That is clear. The 14 days is for the migration to be completed. So after 14 days, you will have okay, I want to see if I can actually open my my main Pi here. But basically, after 14 days, you will see the option to select, you will see the amount of pi you can move, because first of all, you will see the total amount of the pi available for you. Then you probably will see under the balance, you will see your balance might be 0, but the next thing you will see the amount of pi that you can move to that balance. For instance, let's say you have 300, you have 300 pi altogether. Then you've locked part of it. If you have locked part of it, the locking is also a very good thing to do. It's more like you are doing a fixed deposit. You are doing a fixed deposit. There will be increase on that percentage of pi that you already locked, and to also enable you to even mine faster. So it means that by the time you want to get that, the increase will have been on it. So which is a good thing also to do. So if you have locked some percentage of that pi that you've mined, so the available, that will be the amount of coin or amount of pi that will be available for you to move to your balance in the mainnet will be different. Okay, so let's see. Let me see in a bit. And see. Let me show us something. I want to bring up something. Just give me a few seconds. Okay. Okay. So, Idris, you're saying that the 14 days migration is long overdue, but you have not received your mainnet. You have not received your pi. The mainnet is just a short form of a main network. So what Pi has now is what is called private mainnet, which means that within the Pi there's a wallet that has been created, like what I showed us earlier. So, and the migration you've done is to move the Pi that you've mined to that mainnet. Okay, so just give me a second. Let me bring up something here now. Let me bring up something here. Let me see if it will come up, so I can show us. And if not, what I'm gonna do a quick video. I'll release a quick video on that aspect. I'm sure that what you are seeing, if you go to if you have created your wallet, you will see two type of wallet. You see two type of you see the mainnet, and you see the test net. The test net is the test net doesn't really have is not the coin that you have there, the Pi that you have there is not actually meant to be used for a real transaction. I'm talking about the test net now. It's not for the real transaction, but just as the name, just as the way it sounds, test net, just to test the transaction, to practice transaction, so that if you make a mistake in doing transaction with that, it is not going to affect you. it's not going to affect your asset in any way. So it's only that for you to know, to understand, okay, this is where the mistake happens, and so that you correct it, and it will now protect you when, or it will help you when when you want to actually now use your your real Pi at the time the open mainnet is available, or at the time you want to do transaction with your Pi, even within the Pi network wallet. But it's good to be able to identify, to differentiate between two of them, the test net and the main net. Okay, so okay, I'm still trying to bring up something here. Okay, so I can even show us the test net, the mainnet, and all that. Okay. Okay, so while I'm still waiting for that to come up, somewhere in my, okay, this for okay, I call a Musa, right? Okay, somewhere in my profile, okay, I'm being asked to set up my password to increase the security of the okay, just I'm coming. Okay, so one thing about Pi that we should also realize is that, you know, that security aspect and all that. Okay, so you realize that when you're mining Pi, the project is arranged in a way that you are more like you are creating a community of other miners as well. You know, that's your security. That's your security. That's more like your security thing that we are talking about. So it's more like you have a team. So you are bringing up more people to mine Pi. You will see the list of the people that are mining together with you. You will even, for example, let me go here now. Let me go here. Okay, let me show you my screen now. So here now, you will see here, you see this group icon here. You can see 1 of 1. So this means that you are mining, but now if you, so this is more like your security. And when you have, for example, let's say you have been mining, and people that you refer to, you refer as well, they are also mining. You'll be able to have the rewards from, because when you refer, it boosts your mining as well, as you are mining to, more like all of you are mining together, and the coin you are mining is increasing, there too is increasing. So if they have not, if they are not active, or if they've not done their KYC, it's going to, that will be deducted from wherever you have mined until they do their own KYC, until they have done their own KYC before the value that you've gathered from whatever they've mined will be added to your own, be added to you as well. I wish I can display some things for us now, but it's not coming up. But what I'm going to do, like I said, I will do a quick video to explain that, all that for us, and just make sure you subscribe to this channel, and when the video is dropped, you will be notified. Turn on the notification bell on your end as well, so when the video is dropped, you'll be notified and you'll be able to understand what I'm saying more and more. So but basically your security are the people that that you are connected to. For example, if I refer you now, and if I give you my referral links and my how do I put in my code, and use my code to sign up and all that, to activate your own Pi account, you will we are in the same. It means that we are in the same security. You get. So you will definitely see me in your when you go to your team. Yeah, when you go to your team, you will see me there, your referral team. You will see me in your referral team. So so that's your security anyway. That's your security. Then you set up password and all that. That's what it's asking for. Yeah. So okay. Do we have? Okay. I think there's a response here. Let me read that. There's a response here that says that okay. Kingsley says it is after migration of transferable balance that Pi lockup account down begins. Okay, it's after. Okay, is it after? Sorry, I thought. Okay, it's a question anyway. That is it after migration of transferable balance that Pi lockup accounts. Okay. Let me just respond to this. I think I understand what you're trying to say. That you're asking if it is after the migration of the transferable balance that you can now lock down. You can now lock up accounts. You can lock up some percentage of the Pi that you've mined. Okay, the lockup will happen before you move your Pi before you migrate to the mainnet. Like I said, I think we probably will have to we will do this again. Then we do this again. Next time we're having this kind of a conversation, there's some things that I think I have to display for us to. It's not coming up here, but definitely I've sorted that out before the next live session like this. That will explain what the question you asked now. But however, I'm still going to answer this question like this. So you lock up a portion of. Let me see. We can bring it up. You can bring something up here. Okay. 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 So okay. So you lock up a percentage of your. You can do like 50%. Some do more than 50%. So you do that before. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be a part of check that you will confirm. You will see the list of checks to tell you that you will see the ones that are showing that tick the boxes, you know, that, okay, the lockup is done, the KYC is done, the this is done, the that is done. You will see there. So the lockup happens before you move your Pi to the mainnet, and it's when you have locked up that you will now see the amount that you can also when you locked up and you migrate to the mainnet, you will see even that you will see the amount, the percentage that you locked up that you can withdraw now. You will see the lock on it that you can't withdraw it now, but it's not that it still belongs to you. Like I said, not like you are doing a fixed deposit. You do a fixed deposit, you already have a date to it, that okay, this is, you know, that okay, in the next 1 year, the next 5 years, that's when I want to access this. You get. So when that time comes, of course, you will get that with a lot of interest. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see which other question do we have. Okay. Please, can you share with us your Telegram link for support for Satoshi cards? Thank you. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. In the description, if you go to the description on this this page, on this YouTube, we go to description, you will see a lot of you see the link there. That's what I'm trying to say. You see different links. You will see the link to join the hashcard exchange. You see the core hashcard exchange. But let me see if I can still drop it in the comments here. Let me see, try and drop it in the comments here. Then we can also access it from there. So okay, I'm bringing that up. Just give me a few seconds. Okay. 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 All right. So I dropped the link in the comments. I dropped the link for the core, for Satoshi Core Mining Hash exchange. Okay, so you can join that and exchange your hash card there. Okay. So and okay. So if there is no other question at this point, I think we can move on. We can end the class, but before, we can end the conversation. But then I would like for us to also still put some likes on this video if this is helping in any way. If this is helping in any way, so kindly do that. So I promise to do some videos to also expatiate more on this some of the questions that we have here. and in our subsequent session like this, we do more. We do more to help in any way we can. So, all right. If you still have any question, you can drop your questions here as well. Even after this is over, we can always treat them, and it will also help prepare for the next Q&A as well, that we know, okay, this is a question that we are most likely going to ask and all that, or these are the questions that we have already. We pick up from there. We pick right from there, and okay. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before, and you can still share this video or other videos that you find on this channel that you find helpful on this channel. You can go ahead and share with other people. Okay, so it's been a wonderful time together, so we hope to meet again as soon as possible. Just look out for the announcements, and I have some beautiful things to share with us, so all that will be coming up very soon. So just stay connected, and so you don't miss out on all that. All right. Okay, it's been wonderful. It's a very short moment, but it's been a wonderful time having been together like this. So we're going to do this again. Until then, I'll say have a wonderful time. See you soon.